my version of an all-wheel drive car, but my chain sucks, so don't expect it to stay. But it's just a chain with that. It's a 1-to-1. I need to do a better way of showing it. No complexity. I did one that had a drive shaft through here with one of those little thingies right here, right there, but it was like this size, but I didn't really like that, so I just did this like a month later. And also my cat Bella, and this is also kind of cat sap part. I probably gonna get it wrong, but 5, I think. Alright, but this is my okay, screw. But this is my all-wheel drive car. Might put stuff on it in the future, but I guess see ya YouTube.